CryptoVoyage News Roundup latest from CoinDesk. Greetings, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode of CryptoVoyage's News Roundup. Today, we're diving deep into some of the most significant headlines from CoinDesk. Let's get started. Bitcoin's price volatility. The world of cryptocurrency is no stranger to volatility, and Bitcoin, as its flagship, is at the forefront of this phenomenon. Recent data from CoinDesk indicates a negative correlation in Bitcoin's price volatility. This shift is particularly intriguing for market analysts and traders. The primary focus now is on FTX liquidations, which many believe could be a significant factor influencing this trend. As the crypto market continues to evolve, understanding these intricate dynamics becomes crucial. Investors are advised to stay updated, diversify their portfolios, and ensure they're not making hasty decisions based on short-term market movements. Trudeau's Bitcoin warning. A year has passed since Trudeau's cautionary message about Bitcoin. His concerns, shared by many traditional financial experts, revolved around the potential risks associated with decentralized currencies. However, Bitcoin has showcased its resilience. Not only has it managed to beat inflation rates, but it has also outperformed major indices like the S&P 500. This performance underscores the potential of cryptocurrencies, even in the face of skepticism and challenges. It serves as a testament to Bitcoin's staying power and its role as a viable financial asset. Binance's generosity. The recent earthquake in Morocco brought devastation to many. In these trying times, Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, has stepped up. They've announced a generous airdrop of $3 million in BNB to support the affected users. This act of kindness highlights the crypto community's potential to drive positive change and showcases how blockchain technology can be leveraged for humanitarian causes. Credo and USDC stablecoin. Stablecoins have been gaining traction in the crypto space, and Credo's recent integration of Circle's USDC stablecoin is a testament to this trend. As a prominent crypto custody firm, Credo's move signifies a growing trust in stablecoins. It emphasizes their increasing importance in ensuring stability in the otherwise volatile crypto market. Such integrations pave the way for broader adoption of digital currencies in everyday transactions. Hong Kong-Israel CBDC project. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are on the rise, with nations globally exploring their potential. The collaborative project between Hong Kong and Israel is a significant step in this direction. Their joint efforts aim to examine the critical aspects of CBDCs, including security, privacy, and accessibility. Such international collaborations can set the stage for a more standardized and unified approach to digital currencies. Matrixport's altcoin prediction. Predictions in the crypto world can be a double-edged sword. Matrixport's recent forecast about an impending altcoin crash has sent ripples across the investor community. While the crypto market's volatility is well known, such predictions can influence investment strategies. Investors are urged to do their research, understand the underlying factors, and make informed decisions rather than reacting impulsively. Finoa's regulated DeFi. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is revolutionizing the financial landscape. Finoa's recent announcement about offering regulated DeFi is a significant milestone. As a BaFin-licensed crypto custodian, Finoa's move could bridge the traditional finance world with the innovative realm of DeFi. It underscores the potential of DeFi platforms to operate within regulatory frameworks, ensuring more significant trust and broader adoption. Former Celsius CEO's legal battle. The crypto world is abuzz with the latest developments surrounding Alex Mashinsky, the former CEO of Celsius. He's currently embroiled in a legal tussle, seeking to quash a case brought forward by the US FTC. The intricacies of this case highlight the ongoing challenges crypto pioneers face in navigating the regulatory landscape. As the story unfolds, the crypto community watches closely, hoping for a resolution that sets a positive precedent. Bitcoin's price dynamics. Bitcoin never ceases to surprise. After a period of stagnation, a short squeeze has propelled its prices back to a commendable $26,000. This movement underscores the unpredictable nature of the crypto market. While seasoned traders might have anticipated this, for many, it serves as a reminder of Bitcoin's resilience and potential for rapid price shifts. As always, investors are advised to tread with caution and stay informed. Binance vs. SEC. Binance, one of the world's leading crypto exchanges, finds itself at odds with the SEC. The bone of contention? The SEC's request for depositions, which Binance has labeled as overboard and unduly burdensome. This ongoing spat is more than just a legal battle, it's indicative of the broader challenges crypto exchanges face in their quest for global expansion and acceptance. Zodia custody in Singapore. In a significant move for the Asian crypto market, Standard Chartered-backed Zodia custody has announced its availability in Singapore. This expansion signifies the growing trust in digital asset custodians and the increasing role of established financial institutions in the crypto space. With Singapore's progressive stance on cryptocurrencies, Zodia's presence is poised to bolster the region's crypto infrastructure. DOJ's overreach. The Department of Justice is facing criticism for its alleged overreach in the case against Sam Bankman-Fried. The defense argues that the DOJ is trying to block proposed witnesses, a move they deem as overstepping their boundaries. This case, like many others, underscores the challenges in establishing a clear regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. As the defense and prosecution lock horns, the crypto world awaits a verdict that could set a significant precedent. In conclusion, the world of cryptocurrency is as dynamic as ever, with legal battles, price surges, and institutional advancements making headlines. Stay tuned to CryptoVoyage for more insights and updates from the ever-evolving crypto universe. Until next time, happy trading.